Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing 6-Star Testosterone Booster. We've all seen this product on shelves. 6-Star Testosterone Booster promising enhanced strength, performance, and muscle growth. But the real question is, does it actually deliver on those bold claims? After using it for several weeks, we can confidently say that this supplement is not quite what most people think it is. First, let's talk about what's inside. It uses a blend of ingredients like boron citrate, rhodiola extract, and some proprietary blends that supposedly boost testosterone levels naturally. On paper, this looks decent, but in practice, we didn't notice any dramatic increase in energy, performance, or noticeable muscle growth. It's not a magic pill, and those expecting overnight results will definitely be disappointed. The main issue here is that while boron can help marginally improve testosterone levels, the dosage is quite low, and the other ingredients don't have strong scientific backing. Now for the pros. It's affordable, easily accessible in most stores, and doesn't cause any immediate side effects for most people. It's also a good starter supplement for those exploring natural boosters. But the cons outweigh the pros for serious lifters or those with hormonal concerns. Some users experience stomach upset, mild headaches, or insomnia, like due to caffeine sensitivity or ingredient reactions. And let's be honest, the name testosterone booster gives false hope because it won't replace what actual medical grade solutions can do. Overall, we'd say 6-Star is fine as a light fitness supplement but not a true testosterone enhancer. It works more like an energy support formula. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam free.